just 2 Tacomas, light off-road, and a few spots here in Puerto Rico. This is what you get. I'm stuck in the river now, halfway through the rim here, so oh my god, look at this. Can you zoom in? Unacceptable, guys. Beginner Look, it should be in the showroom inside the retail store, but we decided to take it out off-road today along with the 3rd gen Tacoma, and we got stuck. Look at this. I don't know if I'm gonna make it out, but let's see. This is the highlight of the day, guys. He's gonna help me out with the 3rd gen Tacoma. Hopefully I'm getting out of here. Let's see if it's long enough firstly, because I don't know. I didn't plan this. It's trying to be funny, and now I'm stuck here. The TRD Pro Tacoma. Let's see, guys. Oh, shit. Where's the hook on this thing? Is there any hook on here? I don't even know. Oh, shit. It's almost touching the ground, too. That's why I couldn't see it. Oh, wait. All right, guys. Let's try it out. 3rd gen Tacoma, fully built with TonnoFlip accessories, of course. This is not a promo video, but, you know, let's try to bring this thing. It's gonna be fun. If we both get stuck here, we're f***ed. You know that, right? You got another one? Because I think this is too short. I didn't know I was gonna film this. I just wanted to do an intro for the YouTube channel. It was just gonna be an intro for the YouTube channel. And now this is gonna become a long form video now for YouTube, you know. Let's see if the old lady here can pull me out of here. Cross fingers. Hopefully I'm getting out of here today because I'm hungry. I don't know, guys. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. A little bit more. He's getting stuck too. No. Yeah, pull back and go that way. Hell no. I shouldn't be laughing, guys, but it is what it is. When you off-road, I mean, I didn't even think about this. I should have brought somebody with a Jeep. Do you think a Jeep would pull us out of here? That's a good question. We both got stuck here. This is TonnoFlip life. Hopefully these guys can help us out. We're gonna get some help here. Oh, he just saved the day, guys. Oh yeah, help is here, guys. Jesus Christ, if it wasn't for this guy, we would have been fucked. I cannot believe we got stuck here in the middle of the river. But we got help. Yep, help is here. One out. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting out. Hopefully. Hopefully. I am so stuck. It's about to break. We need to use a chain here because that line is about to break, so we're gonna have to use that chain over there. Hopefully we're getting out of here. It's not as easy as it looks. Look at this. Oh, I'm getting out of here. I was so stuck. I was never getting out of here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like these adventures, guys. Look, he's just pulling me out. If he didn't come here, I don't know. We wouldn't have made it. Mission completed. Oh, well, a little damage here, but I've learned a lesson. I've learned a lesson today. I'm gonna be installing a winch here. I'm gonna have to be caught in this area here and try to install a winch because we're gonna be off-roading more. It's all right, just a little damage here. I don't know what's going on here. We must have some water inside. We should leave now because it's sounding kind of weird. A lot of water coming out. What do we have here? The new TFP Nerf bars. This is just a sample, and it passed the test, guys. We hit some rocks. We went off-road. We got stuck in the river. They look like brand new, guys. Look at the door visors. Look, look, look. TonnoFlip door visors. Looking in great shape. It's kind of deep in here. I did not know. I've never been to this place. And as you can see here, it's very deep. Look at this, guys. Oh, shit. It's deep. That's why I got stuck here. Sandy terrain. That's why we got stuck. All right, guys. So I have the TonnoFlip floor liners. And this is this real life test. I'm gonna watch this real quick in the river. And it's coming out brand new. Look, you get the best interior floor liners in the world. TonnoFlip, proven in real life. Remember, it was all sandy and muddy, and I used the river to wash them out. I'm about to install it. Factory clips. And look at this, it looks like brand new. Very easy to clean, very easy to install. This is why I say the TonnoFlip floor liners are the best in the market. You should subscribe to this channel, guys. This is everyday TonnoFlip adventures, builds, off-roading. We are here now. We're coming to the States, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. TonnoFlip.